will be the happiest day of my life when one of my daughter visited us here in Abu Dhabi and also in Dubai Emirate. Actually, today is our bonding here at North Harbor. We've been traveling to the end of the creek, crossing by boat, and now walking here in Bayview, going to the upper part of the park. Bayview. Ako na naman tong nahuhuli. Laging pasaway. Akala mo siyang turista. Nandun na sila, malayo na. Tumataas na sila sa dome. It's a creekside park. May taasan. So makikita mo yung malaking building. Stairs pataas. Nahuhuli na naman ako. Isa na si Papa yun. Doon sa dulo. Ang maganda ng araw. Diyan kami nagpapanoramic sa gitna. Pupunta kami ng Dubai, hindi namin pinapalampas to. Yung mga kalsadang may magagandang dekorasyon. Dubai Creek Harbor. On our way going out to the city. Meron kasi akong paboritong tinipicturean dito. Kaya dito kami dumadaan. Si Flamingo. This is Marina Parking. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng mga building. Habang nagpapalipas kami ng oras before the flight, nagpunta kami sa North Harbor Bay Dome. At eto, nandito kami sa park going to the city of Dubai. Pampaswerteng ladybug, nakita na kami. Ayan na, ang hinahanap kong pampaswerteng ladybug. Jackpot na kami mamaya. Hello, the dreamers, hello. I believe in God and I believe in miracle. After 14 years na pag-aantay ko kay Jeff, pupunta dito sa Abu Dhabi. This will be the starting point na nakasama ko siya kahit 2 weeks lang. Thank you very much, Lord, for this 2 weeks Christmas vacation. Alam ko, this is the happiest moment of the life of my daughter. Kasi nakita na naman sila sila nung paborito niya.
I-zoom nyo. Ito yung ikot.
This is her life. This is her happiness.
Lapit kayo.
G and the turtle.
Hindi, yung below.
G and the turtle. Magkakulay pa kayong dalawa.
Yan.
Hi, I'm happy. Happy with the turtle. Happy with the turtle.
Mama.
And G meets the golden turtle here in Abu Dhabi. Ayan. G and the turtle. We're going home at the other side of the harbor. Thank you, Dubai North Harbor. Pauwi na po kami from Dubai North Harbor. Pictures and memories. Sakay na po ulit kami sa bangka. Karban, doon sa Radaw. Hindi na kami pumunta doon sa top view. Ang ganda na ng ano ngayon pa, oh, sa kanina. Kasi maliwanag na. Dito kami nanggaling kanina by walking, day walk. Anong tawag doon? Doon sa pinuntahan po. Yung pinag-picture namin kanina. I forget the title of this place. Actually, this is my 4th times going here to North Harbor. And this is the special trip today kasi magandang klima at kasama namin si Kim. Balik na kami sa city proper, the Creek train. Marami papasok. Makalumang bangkang matatagpuan dito sa Abu Dhabi. It's near to the front of Dubai Creek Harbor. Yan po siya. Sukran kasilan, sukran. Kulusan na taib, kulusan na taib, kulusan na taib. We are the dreamers, 30 today. To God be the glory.
Every step I take, every move I make, yeah. Every single day, every time I pray, I've been missing you.